1 Samuel chapter 3 marks a turning point in Israel's story, a moment when the voice of the Lord, long silent, begins to be heard again. In those days the word of the Lord was rare, and visions were not widespread. Eli the priest was growing old, and his eyesight was failing. One night, as he lay down in his place, the lamp of God had not yet gone out, and young Samuel was lying down in the house of the Lord, near the ark of God. Then the Lord called out, "Samuel." Samuel answered, "Here I am," and ran to Eli, thinking the priest had called him. But Eli said, "I did not call. Go back and lie down." So Samuel returned to his place. Again the Lord called, "Samuel." Once more Samuel rose and went to Eli. Again Eli replied that he had not called him, and told him to lie down. At this time Samuel did not yet know the Lord, because the word of the Lord had not yet been revealed to him. A third time the Lord called, "See, Samuel." Samuel went again to Eli. This time Eli realized that the Lord was calling the boy. He instructed Samuel, "Go and lie down, and if he calls you, say, 'Speak, Lord, for your servant is listening.'" Samuel returned to his place. Then the Lord came and stood there, calling as before, "Samuel, Samuel." Samuel answered, "Speak, for your servant is listening." The Lord then revealed a sobering message. He declared that he was about to carry out everything he had spoken against the house of Eli, judgment for the sins Eli knew about, but failed to restrain. This judgment would not be undone by sacrifice or offering. Samuel lay down until morning, and then opened the doors of the house of the Lord. Afraid to tell Eli the vision, Samuel was gently urged to speak the truth. When Samuel told him everything, Eli responded with humility, saying, "He is the Lord. Let him do what seems good to him." Samuel continued to grow, and the Lord was with him, allowing none of his words to fall to the ground. All Israel, from Dan to Beersheba, recognized that Samuel was established as a prophet of the Lord. And the Lord continued to appear at Shiloh, revealing himself to Samuel by his word. The silence was broken. God was speaking again. Next comes 1 Samuel 4, where Israel goes to battle, the ark of God is taken, and the consequences of spiritual neglect are revealed.